All right, guys, you asked for it, you got it. Here's number 2, I think it's number 2, and number 16 from your practice test, just so you can watch it one more time. So let's put them in matrix first. So I'm going to go 3, 4, 7, -5, 2, 10. I don't think anybody's struggling getting it into the matrix, your augmented matrix. Don't forget your little line. I want a 0 in the first column underneath the -3, so I'm going to circle that 5. So remember to make that a 0. 3 and 5 both going to 15, so I'm multiplying the top row by 5, 15, 20, and 35. And the bottom row by 3, -15, 6, and 30. All right, and I'm going to add my green numbers together. First of all, the top row does not change yet. And the bottom row, I'm going to add the green numbers to get my new bottom row. 15 and -15, 20 and 6, 35 and 30. All right, now to keep this video short, and because we've already done this problem in class today, I'm going to take that bottom row and divide by 26. So I'm going to erase these two. 26 divided by 26 is 1. And 65 divided by 26 is 65 over 26, which reduces down to 5/2. So there's your y answer already. All right, now, I also need to make this 4 become a 0 above the 1, which means I need to add -4 to it. So I'm going to multiply the whole bottom row by -4. And if you do 4 times 5/2, it's 10, so it's going to be -10. And I'm going to write it in the matrix right here. The bottom row I'm happy with. It's done for good. To get the new top row, I'm going to add the yellow numbers on the bottom to the green on the top. 0 plus 3, -4 and 4, -10 and 7 is -3. And to finish up, to get my last one right here on the top where that 3 is, I'm going to divide that whole row by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 0 divided by 3 is 0. -3 divided by 3 is -1. And once you get there, and this side looks like this, 1, 0, 0, 1, that means 1x is -1, and 1y is 5/2. And that's it. Let's do the other one. Here's 16. It's quite a doozy. Write it in the matrix first. 1. I should have done that already. Making this video too long because you're having to watch me write it into a matrix. Price you pay for, instruction. Okay, so here we go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to circle the 2 because I want that 2 to go away. So I'm going to multiply the top by -2. -2, -4, +6, -18. And I'm going to add that. Top row doesn't change. Top row is not going to change this entire problem, by the way. All right, I'm going to add the white numbers on the top to the second row. -2 and 2 is 0. -4 and 1, -1. 6 and 2, -18 and -8. It's -26. I'm also going to circle the 3 because I want a 0 there. Use the top row again. I'm multiplying the whole top row by -3. Make it -3, -6, +9, -27. Add those numbers to the bottom row. -3 and 3, -6 and -1, 6 and -4. No, sorry, 9 and -4, -27 and 3, -24. Almost there. Right, what I need now to happen is I need this -7 right here to disappear. I need a 0 right there. So once again, top row is not going to change. It looks good. I'm also now officially finished with the second row because I've got a 0 where I want it. But I do need to finish that third row. So I'm going to multiply the second row by -7. So make that, I need to change colors there. Make that 0, 35, -56, and that's 182. Yeah, 182. And the bottom row by 5. So 0, -35, +25, and -120. And to get my new third row, I'm just going to add all the white numbers together. 0 and 0, 35, -35, -56 and 25. And 181 and -120 is 62. All right, now, obviously, you can divide the whole row by -31, which gives you 2. So here's what I know. I know z is 2. Sorry, -2 because of the negative sign with the 31. So there's my z. What I'm going to do with my z is I'm going to plug it into the second row that I have here. And that -5 in the second row represents the y coefficient, so the -5y. I'm going to put the 2 in for the z. So 8 times -2 equals -26. 8 times -2 is -16. If I move it over, it becomes +16, which means this side's -10. So y is 2. There's my y. And I'm going to take my x and my y, plug them both in the top row to get my x, and then I'm officially finished. So I'm going to x plus 2 times the y, which is 2, minus 3 times the z, which is negative 2, and that equals 9. So I get x plus 4 plus 6 is 9. That's 10. So if I move the 10 over, I get negative 1. So my final answer for 16, negative 1, 2, negative 2. Hope that helps you. Hope you watch it. And I will see you tomorrow for your test when you come in to make 100. See you then.